Have you ever wondered why some people seem to create wealth almost effortlessly, while others work hard for years and never break through? Today, I'll walk you through 3 rules wealthy individuals consistently follow. These rules are rarely discussed, but they are deeply powerful in shaping long-term financial success. They are not shortcuts. They are simple principles rooted in psychology, disciplined behavior, and clear decision-making. If you apply them, you can change the direction of your financial life. Let's begin. Rule number 1. They play a long game. Most people want fast results. The wealthy, they think in decades, not days. This aligns with well-documented behavioral research. People who practice delayed gratification consistently accumulate more financial assets over time. The key idea here is simple. Wealthy people treat money like a tool that grows with time. They don't chase volatile trends. They build resilient systems. The core concept here is compounding. When money earns returns, and those returns earn returns, the growth accelerates exponentially. Let's look at a quick example using basic math. If you invest $200 per month with a 7% return, after 20 years, you have about $104,000. But let's keep the same habit going for just 10 more years. After 30 years, that number jumps to $244,000. The long game rewards consistency, not intensity. This difference is a mindset. People with long-term discipline ask, what will this decision look like in 5 years? Is this sustainable? The average person asks, how can I get money right now? This difference in time horizon leads to wildly different outcomes. Think about 2 people starting a business. One focuses on one viral moment, the other builds a 3-year strategy. Historically, the second scenario has a far higher probability of sustainable results because it compounds skill, audience, and systems over time. Rule number 2. They treat money like a worker. A commonly reported pattern among the wealthy is that they don't rely solely on their labor. They rely on their capital. They focus on assets, not hours. To understand this, let's quickly look at the 3 main types of income. First is active income. You work once, you earn once. Second is service skill income. You work, but you can scale your prices. The third category is asset-based income, where your money works. Investments, businesses, digital assets, or intellectual property. The third category is where long-term wealth truly grows. Instead of asking, how can I earn more? The wealthy ask, how can my money earn more? This shift changes everything. Examples of these assets include equity in a small business, dividend-paying stocks, rental properties when managed sustainably, digital libraries, or scalable online systems. These assets follow a documented trend. They generate recurring value without requiring your full, active time. People who successfully build wealth tend to climb in stages. First, they improve their skill set to increase their income potential. Then, they use that extra income to buy or build assets. Finally, they let those assets produce long-term stability. This is a behavioral cycle discussed in many finance and entrepreneurship studies. It doesn't guarantee wealth, but it increases the probability through leverage. Even a person earning $3,000 per month can start by creating a digital product or investing just $50 into a dividend stock monthly. Small assets compound into larger ones. Rule number 3. They make decisions without emotions. This is the rule rarely talked about because it forces self-discipline. One consistent theme across psychological research is that emotional decision-making increases risk, especially in financial contexts. The key idea here: wealth grows when emotions shrink. Most money errors come from emotion, impulse buying, panic selling during a market dip, or simply allowing for lifestyle inflation. Even small cognitive changes like delaying a purchase by 24 hours can dramatically reduce emotional spending. Individuals with strong financial discipline operate using a filter. Before making a financial decision, they ask, does this get me closer to my long-term vision? Is this based on logic or emotion? Will this truly matter in 5 years? This filter cuts unnecessary decisions. People who manage money well rely on systems, not willpower. Systems reduce emotion. Emotion creates inconsistency. What kind of systems? Auto-investing, setting non-negotiable spending limits, or pre-commitment strategies. Even setting a fixed fun money budget each month is a powerful system. It separates emotion from long-term planning. You keep your goals intact without eliminating enjoyment. These 3 rules, thinking long-term, treating money like a worker, and making decisions without emotion, are not secrets. They are rarely discussed because they require patience, discipline, and consistency. Wealth is not created by chance. It is built by behavior. If you want more practical business wisdom explained simply, subscribe to The Business Path and share this video with someone who needs a clearer direction in life and business.